What's the meaning of bureaucratically? Bureaucratically. Bureaucratically.
Bureaucratically. Bureaucratically. Bureaucratically refers to the way in which a system or organization is managed, governed, or controlled by rigid and often complex rules and procedures. The term is commonly associated with bureaucracy, which involves the use of hierarchical structures, standardized procedures, and strict regulations to achieve specific goals. The result of bureaucratic management is often characterized by slow decision-making processes, limited flexibility, and a lack of responsiveness to change. This approach can lead to inefficiencies, delays, and bureaucracy-induced frustrations. However, bureaucracies can also provide stability, predictability, and a clear chain of command, which can be crucial in certain settings such as government agencies, large corporations, or military organizations.